Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics Spike's YouTube channel. Today's video, I discuss about how to create Facebook pixel or dataset ID. Let's start this video. Firstly, we'll know about what is Facebook pixel. The Facebook pixel is a piece of code that you place on your website. It collects data that helps you track conversion from Facebook ads, optimize ad, build targeted audience for future ads, and remarket to people who have already taken action on your website. What are the benefits of Facebook Pixel? Using a Facebook Pixel will allow you to track your audience better, see where they are coming from, and gain insight from their online habits. From there, you can tailor ads to follow them around, customized feature offers, and leverage your marketing strategy to increase revenue. What is Facebook Event Manager? Facebook Event Manager is a tool for tracking actions on third-party website and app properties outside of Facebook. It's a native tool that seamlessly connect to Facebook Ads Manager, Facebook Commerce Manager, the Facebook Pixel, and Facebook SDK software development kit. How to create a Facebook Pixel or dataset ID? Let's start. First, go to Facebook Event Manager, business.facebook.com Event Manager. Then click on Connect Data Source. Then click Web. Connect your website to share active that occurs online, including new content, view content, add to cart, and purchase event. Then click here. Then click Connect. Create a new dataset ID. Use dataset to contain the actions that your business cares about. This information then can be used to create audience, run, and ads. Firstly, need to given a name like your website or your name or your channel name. Analytics spikes. Right. Then click create. Just wait few seconds. Then given your website URL. This is my website. Then copy this website URL. Then paste here. Then check. Then click next. Find a setup method. Get guidance to it yourself. I've already known which setup method with your level to technical expertise. Direct select this setup. Then click next. Facebook recommended this. Then click this. Then click next. Just wait a few seconds. Then click setup manually. Then next. This is no need this time. Then click cancel. Confirm. This is my dataset ID. Click settings. My dataset or Facebook pixel ID already created. Thank you for watching this video. Next video I will discuss how to track Facebook pixel page view tracking. Thank you.